A day of life at the Krusty Krab.
A day in the life of the Krusty Krab.
Ready,
set, action.
His string just broke.
Unfortunately.
Let's go to the Krusty Krab for lunch today. How do you feel about that dog? How's it going?
Welcome to the Krusty Krab. How may I help you?
I'll take one monster Krabby Patty. What do you want, dog?
Krabby Patty.
One monster Krabby Patty and one Krabby Patty and large kelp juice.
Okay, hold on. Here we go.
Thanks. Woohoo! Woo!
Hey, how's it going? Give me 700 monster Krab.
Okay.
What do you want? You'll have a flabby daddy. What? Flabby daddy. Oh, wait, no. Oh, never mind. He wants a Krabby Patty.
Oh, do you have insurance?
No.
Here you go.
I have some chocolate.
That'll work.
Do you need toilet paper?
Hold on just a sec.
All you see is your backs, guys.
Down in front. Thanks. Here you go. Bye. Is that order ready yet?
Yeah, here you go.
Louder.
Hey, where you want to go? How
I
may I
got
help
you.
you? Can I tap dance instead of pain? Maybe. What do you want? If it's worth 10 monster Krabby Patties. Tap dance! Alright, here we go. Thank you.
Alright, now we sing.
Everybody on the grand stage for the grand finale.
Can you stand up there and put those in front of you?
Stand up there and then do them in front of you.
There you go.
Sing loud so we can hear you.
All right. Harrison, move over a little bit so they can see those guys. Okay.
Oh, Krusty Krab, oh, Krusty Krab. Oh, how we love you, Krusty Krab. Oh, Krusty Krab, oh, Krusty Krab. Oh, how we love you, Krusty Krab. Tiny portions low. There's tons of mustard on the wall. Oh, Krusty Krab, oh, Krusty Krab. Oh, how I love you, Krusty Krab.
We're done.
Yay!